Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Drive on your phone or computer and sign into your Google account. Tap the new button or click the upload icon to start adding photos. Choose Photos or Files and select the images you want to save from your device. Confirm the upload and watch the progress bar until it completes. Uploaded photos store in Drive and use your 15 GB free storage across Gmail and Photos. Use folders to organize images by date or project for easy retrieval later. To upload automatically, enable backup from Google Photos or use Drive Sync on desktop. On mobile, open Google Photos, then Backup and Sync and turn it on. On desktop, install Drive for desktop and select Folder Streams or Mirror to sync images. Choose Upload Quality. Original uses full resolution and counts against 15 GB. Storage Saver reduces size and saves space when you need more. Monitor storage from Drive settings and delete duplicates to reclaim space quickly. Remember to sign into the same Google account on all devices. To share photos, select Files, click Share, and enter emails or generate a link. Set permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor depending on whether others can download or edit. For offline access, mark files available offline in the mobile app so you can view without internet. Use Details pane to add descriptions, dates, and locations to make searching easier. Recover deleted photos from trash within 30 days before permanent deletion. Regularly backup critical photos to an external drive for extra redundancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.